For this beginner-friendly acrylic nail design, I have NotPolish Clear and My Allure, Pastel Yellow by MVP Nail Designs, Marigold Glitter by Charlie's Nail Art, and using my size 8 Sophia Kolinsky brush. So let's get right into it. Hey everyone! Hey there NailTubers! So I'm back with another acrylic practice. If you've been watching regularly, you know that I've been working to build back up on my acrylic skills, and this is one of 2 sets that have been waiting for editing. So I've been doing this, guys. So here, clear is laid as a foundation, similar to using a base coat to keep and protect the natural nail bed from staining. I've also been considering a regularly assigned day of the week for acrylic videos. You know, similar to how I usually do the Bougie Nails on a Budget series on Tuesdays. And if you haven't seen any of those, you really should. There'll be a playlist link for it at the end of this video as well as in my description box. As far as acrylic, I'm still deciding it around more viewer requests I've recently gotten, more random giveaways I have coming up, more products I have nail hauls for, and polygel videos I haven't even gotten into yet. So just know there's a lot coming. This is called Pastel Yellow by MVP Nail Designs. Her name is Gigi and I really like her acrylics. They're medium setting and gives you a good amount of time to work it into place. I'm not sure if it shows well in the camera, but I also like that it has a bit of shimmer, and that gives this yellow a more bossed up appeal. Once I started in with this yellow, I noticed the My Allure by NotPolish was more of a bright neon and wouldn't be a match, so I decided not to use it. Now here is me doing something spontaneous. I hope this doesn't get me into trouble. No, but seriously, I think this set turned out really, really cute. I guess you could call this my rendition of color blocking, maybe? No, I was just trying to keep this simple and definitely beginner friendly. So after I sectioned this yellow off, you'll see me go in with Marigold Glitter by Charlie's Nail Art, and the glitter matched exactly. I wasn't trying to create a perfectly straight line by any means because I knew that much of the glitter was going to cover the edge of the color. So here's a little bit of clear acrylic to ensure that the glitters won't slip around and that they would stay secure in place. This is such a cute glitter with different variations in sizes, with gold, yellow, white. So pretty. As I'm editing this, I'm just noticing that it appears that there's a gap at the tip of the nail, but it actually isn't. There's white glitter there and it's hard to tell the difference because of the white background. For this nail, I'll go in with the yellow and I'll add glitters in the middle portion of the nail and intentionally leave a clear tip. The index finger will be a solid color yellow, the same as the pinky. Oh, and let me say this. It is very important for you to use a quality acrylic brush. A good brush is going to help your acrylic skills get better. So don't go cheap on the brushes, guys. Something else I want to point out. Although I didn't do this when I laid the glitter because it was only being used as a holding layer, always change out the monomer when you're ready to do your clear finish. You can see right now that my acrylic has yellowed from the color in the acrylic. You don't want this haze as your finish, so once you get rid of the used monomer, also clean your dampen dish before pouring the fresh monomer. Also, some would say not to push your brush flat into the liquid, but I do this almost every time to release any air bubbles that could form from maneuvering your brush. I can also say that it hasn't failed me yet. And now here comes the fun part, filing. So here I am trying my darndest to offer you some of my best filing shots. I mean, I'm filing from the opposite side of the file. I'm filing from around the camera and behind Yoko, which, by the way, for those of you who are new here, is my practice hand. I'm trying to give you the best view without my hand and arm taking up practically the whole frame. But I know y'all could tell how awkward this is. But look, I even threw in this ASMR for you because I love you guys. One of my most favorite things about Gigi's acrylics, who by the way does MVP nail designs, is this acrylic files so easy. I actually didn't even need to use my e-file. That's definitely a plus. I know you can tell this has become too awkward for me. I've even started slowing down here. Normally, I would have this hand hanging off the edge of the table. Alrighty then, now it's time for the top coat. That's so corny, isn't it? I used to have a co-worker and friend that used to say, "Alrighty, Dighty." Oh my gosh, seriously? I came across this Hello Kitty that I made a few years back that just so happened to match this set. So I put down a little bit of acrylic to secure it in place, and I'll go in on 2 nails with just some gold, what do you want to call these? Gold dots? Gold studs. That's what they are, studs. So guys, did you enjoy this video? I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, or if you enjoyed this, hit the like button if you will, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of Hello Kitty. She was my absolute favorite growing up, and I still love her to this day. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and support me and Kitty's growth here. And what else? Oh, click the nailification bell so that way I'll see you in the next video.